After the 3 to 5 rounds of decoding, mapping, and blending letter sounds and reading words, each video lesson will end with a sentence of the day. These decodable sentences are designed to help build and develop fluency. Students will read each sentence of the day 4 to 5 times, improving rate, speed, and expression each time that they read. Let's check out an example from Lesson 3. He can hit with the bat. 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 He can hit with the bat.